Good morning, and this is day 4. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to the 30-day challenge. I am just going to take these out. Yesterday I did this style, and today I'm going to do another 10-minute style. It's going to be very quick, and actually I just wanted to show the difference between when you twist forward and twist backwards. When I first went natural, I always twisted backwards, and then I started to twist it forward. And I like both ways. I actually like going back more. So I'm just going to do that today. And hopefully it's under 10 minutes, which I'm sure it will because my hair is already parted from yesterday. So all right, and someone in the comments, shout out to Melita, and she asked about my natural hair journey. I do have a video about my natural hair journey on my page if you are interested. It just has pictures mainly, but I can barely remember, but I did put all the information in that video. I think I went natural in 2009. And my hair, I had a perm. My hair was like shoulder length, probably like, collarbone. All right, so wait, let me get straight what I'm doing here. All right, so what was I saying? I went natural. I had pretty normal looking permed hair. It was like not as long as my hair is now, but it was probably like right up to here somewhere. And I would get perm. I didn't get perm super often, but I got them regularly. And then my sister, the methodical mom, she started talking to me about going natural. And she was showing me all these girls on YouTube that was going natural, and their hair was growing, and it was just like beautiful. And I was like, oh my gosh, like I always wanted my hair to be long, and so it really didn't take much. I was like, all right, I'm going natural. I'm not getting nowhere. I think I got one more perm for January 1st, and then I started my natural. So I think I had my last perm in December of 2009, and then I started, I was using the flat iron and stuff to transition out of, transition into being natural. And then I had about 9 months in, 10 months in, I had, my hair was cut, like I cut it a little bit, my mom actually cut some of my ends off. So my hair was like up to here was like a little bob, and I flat ironed it. And it was so cute because I never saw my hair short like that before. And I'll have to find a picture to show y'all. But it was like right here. And I flat ironed it, and I had been wearing like that for a while. So back then, I worked at Giant Eagle. So I had flat ironed my hair for work. And I went to work, and it rained. And when I tell you, like, I never experienced my hair looking like that horrible before. Like, y'all know what it is when y'all are half natural and half relaxed. My roots was all puffy, and and my ends was all straight, and it was like afro, and then it was like these little straight pieces. And I came in the house, I was like, Mom, I want you to cut my hair. I want you to cut my hair. She was like, are you sure? I was like, yes, I want you to cut all my permed ends off. So she was like, I don't know if we did it like right then or if we wait till the next day. But anyway, we went downstairs in the salon, and she cut off my permed ends. That was probably 2010, I think. Sometime in 2010. So I had my big shop. My hair was like this long when I did twist. Like I had bangs, and they would shrink up. So when I pulled it probably was like down here. But I had like an afro. Like when my hair was shrunken, like I had like a little afro, and I had my little headband on. And you know what? I had one picture of my hair like that, and it was in my old phone. So I do not have any evidence that happened. But I do have some pictures. I will link the video to my natural hair journey in the description box below. We're at 5 minutes. All right. So yeah, I'll link that down below so y'all can see the pictures that I do have. And if I find any more, I will display them in this video. So that's pretty much it. And I've been natural ever since. Like, I have no desire to go back to getting a perm. Like, if I do want to wear my hair straight, I can always straighten it. And that's just how I feel about it. And I think about the chemicals mostly because I'm like, I remember reading all of those articles and what perms do to you and how they was doing the autopsies and the black woman's, her scalp was like, had something like black on it or something, like her skull from getting perms. And I was like, oh, I do not want that. So that's why it really doesn't enter my mind to get a perm again, because I feel like you have all the versatility with being natural. Like if you want to be a straight natural, go for it. If you want to be a curly natural, go for it. And you know, if you don't like your hair, you can always put something on it, you know, some weave or twist some braid. I feel like the possibilities are endless. When you are relaxed, you can't really go back to being natural like that. You have to grow it out. But if you were natural, you could easily get your hair straightened. And that's just me. Some people feel like it's too difficult, you know. And I understand that because a lot of people don't do their own hair or are unable to do it and care for it. So it makes more sense for them to get a relaxer. So I'm not anti-relaxer. I'm just anti-relaxer on my own hair. I don't condemn anybody for being relaxed, you know. So I'm team natural, but I'm not team trying to make other people feel bad for being not natural. When in the beginning, I was like, everybody should go natural. Like, that's how I felt. Because I had learned so many bad things about it, you know. And it was really just like, out of like, you should do this because it's good for your health. But then I kind of was seeing like a lot of people really wasn't trying to hear that. So I kind of let it go, you know. But that is my story. So this is pretty much the end. We're at 7 minutes and 15 seconds. And as you can, when you do the twist backwards, they have more of that look, and you can see it really well. If your hair is long enough, you can always wear your twist down. I don't wear mine because my hair is not long enough to me, because I just like, sometimes I will, if I'm just going to the store or something, I'll do my hair and leave it like this. But I do it like this. So we're going to try this again. I did bring my headband. Today I'm doing it's kind of turquoise. But first I want to, I just want to pull it out a little bit. This is what I was saying, like if you want it, and you could obviously just wear it, pin it up in the back and wear it just like this, or wear it down. But I love these things I told y'all. Y'all might not like them, but I do. It's like the two little bands on the back. And I'll link the link in the description box. So just put it on like so. And kind of get your little bubbles, the little things in there, so that, let me see, I think I need to pull it up. See, this is probably what's going to take longer than actually even the twist. But no, not really. So today, I remember what I did yesterday. I did not like how my hair came out yesterday, and I'm sorry that y'all had to see that. But I don't think it was super bad, but it's not what I intended. So this is what I meant. This is what I meant yesterday. I want this to come up a little bit. Upward. All right, so this is what I meant when I was talking about wrapping the hair around. So you got your band. It's 2 bands to these things. And you can take your hair and wrap it around the band like this. Just like spiral it around. And then you do the same thing with this one. You just spiral it around the band. And it won't come out if you don't have your bobby pins like me. And I don't really like bobby pins or hairpins anyway because they hurt my scalp. Or they just kind of, I hope it don't look like it did yesterday, because I was like, oh no. But it was too late. So yes, here we go. And you know, that's the thing. Sometimes your hair don't come out exactly how you imagined or exactly what you thought. But you know, it is what it is. So here we are. Here's the style. I kind of really wanted this headband to be more up like this. And I'm smoothing this. I'm trying to smooth this bump out so it's not real big. But my hair, it tends to stick out like that anyway, so. But y'all get the idea, right? And that is it for today. Let's see. 10 minutes. All right. 56 seconds. I'm going to stop here. If you enjoyed the video, if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you'll be able to watch the next, let's see, 26 videos of this 30-day challenge. I'm going to have a lot more styles in mind that I'm going to try. I have a request for updo, so I'm going to think about that. And I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope everybody has a great day. Bye! So, which one do y'all like better? Do you like yesterday's or today's? Today, I feel like this is better than yesterday's. I like the twist to go backwards. And then, I don't know, this part, this looks, maybe it's because of the way I wrapped it around. So, don't do what I did yesterday. Do what I did today. This is a learning experience. All right.